he comes from school, and sometimes I ask him, how's your day? Good. What did you learn? Nothing. So I started thinking, I have to do something differently to get a different result, right? And I started thinking, and I changed my approach, and it worked. And I want to share it with you guys. And if you want to know, keep on watching. Hello parents, I hope you're having a great day. I am Marcela Collier with High Impact Club. We believe that being a good parent isn't about being perfect. It's about being effective in raising happy, confident children. Sometimes talking to our teenagers could be difficult, and especially those that don't give us a lot of information. And we want to be able to help them, but it's hard to help them when we don't know much about them, right? What did I do differently this time? So I started thinking, okay, when I try to approach my son, he comes from school, he might have been hungry, he might have been tired, he might be over with the day, he just wants to relax. So I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna talk to him when he wants to talk to me, when he looks a little bit more approachable, when he looks a little bit more relaxed. The second thing, it was about the conversation itself. I noticed that I was asking a lot of questions that required yes or no answers, and those are the kind of questions that don't give us with a lot of information. So for example, if I ask them, how's your day? Good. That's not a question that really gives us a lot of information. So I started changing those kind of questions for questions that gave me a little bit more information, such as, tell me who sits next to you, or when you went to PE today, what did you guys do? Things like that. The third thing was that I went with no judgment. Because for us as parents, sometimes it is difficult to not come up with our own opinions and our own ideas of what our teenagers should be doing or should not be doing. So if they tell us, yes, I got mad with the teacher because he's always bothering me, are you being disruptive at class? Are you being a knucklehead at class? What happens is that your teenager is not gonna tell you any other thing because they're gonna feel judged and they're gonna feel uncomfortable. And for that reason, many times our teenagers don't trust us. I hope these tips would help you a lot. It has helped me a ton with my kids, with my teenager now. So I started changing my approach, and then what I noticed that slowly but surely my teenagers started opening up to me a little bit more. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell every time I upload content. You get a little notification so you don't miss on any content that I'm doing. Remember, I'm all about building effective parents that are able to raise confident, happy children. Is it hard for you to talk to your teenager? Is it not hard? If you have boy and a girl, is it different? I mean, my experience is just with boys, so I don't know how it would be to talk to a girl. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.